Take a breath in. All the way out. You doing all right, Mike?
I'm stiff as a board.
All right. let's loosen you up then. You're on a trip? So is that tender in there at all?
Just a little bit.
Okay. Your legs are way uneven. I understand why you're stiff as a board. So we're gonna balance this out. We're coming right here.
Whatever sport the older one plays, the others have to play the same sport. We're not going 4 different places. Yeah.
Let's check it now. Haha. It's even now. Right side. Both sides. Let's get these moving. That L5. So this is narrowed. So we're gonna get this moving first. 3 drops this way. Then we'll do 3 drops up this way. Open this up. Some motion in there. So I hit all these discs are narrowed in here. So it's getting some motion in there. Motion, some lotion. There it is. Any change in there?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do a few more drops in here. Right here. Take a breath in. All the way out. Are we good? All right. All right. I'm gonna come right in here. Do a little bit of a stretcher. Felt that? Go a little bit on the side. Now, let's go on your back for me. Bring both knees up. Give yourself a big hug. We'll try to get that up a bit back, moving a little bit better here.
Oh, actually, right foot.
Yeah, you're right. All the way out. Good, one more. Good. And then we go like this. Interlock your fingers behind your neck. Right. You okay with this? Can you put it behind your neck? Are you all right with that? Can you put it behind? There it is, right there. This one a little bit. There we go. One more. Good. All right. Right there. Sit in there. Oop, something moved.
You ain't even do nothing in the crack. Oh, that's a good one.
That was good. Is that better right there?
Mm-hmm.
Put it right there. Not so much. Another one. No, not as much there. I think the other one got. That feels better on the right side. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Let's see how you feel. Should be less stiff. Good?